In this video, I'm going to show you how to use MyFxBook calculator. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and sign into your account on myfxbook.com, and then you want to click on FX calculators over here. And then here you're going to have a lot of different calculators you can use, such as the currency converter, the position size calculator, the pip calculator, margin, Fibonacci, pivot point, risk of ruin, etc. So you have a bunch of them, and if you'd like to use any of them, just click on the name of it, and it's going to take you to that calculator. Here you're going to have to put in different things, different info, basically your numbers, your account sizes, etc. And then once you're done, just click on calculate and you will get your result. So of course it's going to be a bit different based on which calculator you actually choose, but it's very convenient. As you can see over here, you have to put in your numbers and then just press the calculate button, and then you will be good to go. You'll get your results. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.